Hey there, Amy Hetrick here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. This is my channel where I'm currently going through an animal drawing series. I go step by step. I keep it simple. I do it in my children's book illustrated style. So yeah, let's continue. I'm going to do turtles this week. That was a request, and I just thought they are so cute. I've drawn them many times in my sketchbook because them and frogs and bears kind of tend to be my go-to. If I don't know what to draw, I just draw one of those. So they're super simple, and you can do them in so many different ways and so many different colors and shapes and stuff. So they're super fun to add to your sketchbook. So all you need is some paper and a pencil. And if you end up liking this video or liking this channel, please give me a like or a subscribe, and that would really help me. So grab your pencil and paper and come join me at my art table. Okay, turtles are another fun thing that I just really love to draw. So I'm going to start with the shell. So that it's just like a big old rainbow. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to connect it from here to here with another curved line. All right. I'm going to add tail, little triangle, straight line, and then connect it. Okay, now the feet. I'm just going ahead and adding the feet first, and then I'm going to show you the head. Okay, so the feet are just straight line down, straight line down, connect, straight line down and connect. Okay, since it's on the other side of the body, I'm not drawing it where you will see the whole thing. You won't see the whole thing. Okay, the same thing here on this side. Straight line down, curve, and straight line down, connect it. Straight line down, curve. Okay, then we're going to add the toes. Scoop, 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 whatever will fit. Okay, now we're going to do the head. All in one motion. I'm going to curve up and around, stop, curve it down like that, do his little neck, and then connect it to the shell. Okay, and then I'm going to draw his little, I'm going to do a little silly smile like that. Okay, now he looks kind of like a dinosaur right now, but I'm going to put the eyes. Eyes. I like drawing them on top of the head. I don't know, it's just a stylized thing that I do. If you wanted to put them on the head, you can do that. It doesn't really matter. Okay, it's going to be looking over here, so the pupils are going that way and that way. And there's this real simple turtle. Now you can do the whole octagon thing if you really feel like it, but that's a lot of work. So I'm just going to draw a line. That. Those lines, and then I'm just like, I like playing with patterns on the shell, so I will, let's see, just quickly color it in so to show you what I can do to make it just simple. You can just use whatever shapes you want to put on the turtle. I'm just going to add some swirls. Those are fun. I'll find a brown here. Just some swirls. You can do whatever you want. You want to do polka dots? You want to try to do the hexagonal shape? Go for it. But sometimes that's like a little too complicated for me. I don't like complicated. And there you go. And you can color it however else you want. You could draw a turtle standing up and like having personality. Maybe we'll do, since you know the last couple of videos I have done, I have not drawn anyone drinking coffee, but I think maybe this time we could, because you know turtles move really slow, so maybe some coffee would help pep them up. What do you think? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, big oval. Like that. Now this is the underside of a turtle. Okay, I'm going to draw just a small line following the outside connected. That's going to be what you see of the shell. You won't see much in this facing because this is the belly. And then what we'll draw is a little curved line down, curved line down. This is the end lines across. This is kind of what the belly of a turtle looks like. Not perfect. I'm not even sure if that's correct, but who cares? All right, legs. Down, straight line, curve, straight line, curve. And then you can do the little toes. All right, now he is going to be drinking his coffee. So I'm going to do the same little shape, curve it, curve it, curve it. They've got kind of like boxy toes, a little bit, boxy feet. Okay. Curve it, curve it, curve it, draw the toes. Fun. Those toes are hilarious. Okay, now I'm going to erase this center. I'm going to draw a coffee cup. Nice big cup of coffee. And so sorry, that was really quick. I get carried away and forget that I'm teaching. Straight line, go across and there, and then I put a little oval in the center, and then a little steam coming out. Okay, connect that down, curve it all the way, and then I'm going to add the little handle. You're just going to see the top part of the handle there that connects there. All right, now I'm going to draw the head, curve up and around, curve up and around. Ooh, fun. I like the way his shape was. That's why it's really fun to not try to follow such a strict shape. Just let it come out of your pencil how it wants to come out. Follow the shape. And sometimes when it ends up being not what you expected, actually a lot of times is better than what you expected. So just go with it. Just be loose and let it happen naturally. He's gonna be like, heaven with that smile. Heaven that he's got coffee. Here's his little dots for his nose. Okay, and then I'm going to draw some big eyeballs. Oh, yeah. And he's happy. He's so happy. I had to turn that up because I was like, I thought he looked happy, but he looked a little crazy. Okay. There we go. You know what's really fun? I like to draw turtles with glasses. Don't ask me why. So I'm going to draw big circles right in the middle. I love turtles with glasses. That's so silly. Oh, it cracks me up. Okay, sorry. I know, crazy artist here. It's okay. And then you can color them in. I'm just shading them a little bit. Shade around, add dimension. Oh, there's his little triangle tail. There you go. All right, and draw turtles doing whatever. Maybe you want to have turtles maybe you could have a baking turtle like we did with the penguin. That would be cute. And fill up a whole page and make it fun and full and all kinds of stuff. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.